The biggest misunderstanding about human evolution.
If humans came from monkeys, then why are monkeys still here? It sounds like a clever question, but behind it lies one of the biggest misunderstandings in the history of science. When most people hear the phrase human evolution, they imagine a simple picture: a bent-over monkey, then a half-human creature, and finally, a modern human standing tall. This image is everywhere, in textbooks, in memes, in movies. But this picture is wrong, and this single misunderstanding has confused millions of people about what evolution really says. In this video, we are going to clear that up. We will answer 3 simple questions. Did humans really come from monkeys? What do scientists actually mean by evolution? And why does this misunderstanding refuse to disappear? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, your view of human evolution will be completely different. Many people grow up hearing this sentence. According to Darwin, humans came from monkeys. It sounds scientific, it sounds confident, but it is completely false. Charles Darwin never said that humans came from monkeys. Modern biology does not say that either. So where did this idea come from? The problem is not science. The problem is oversimplification. Evolution is a complex process, and humans love simple stories. So we turn a deep scientific theory into a short, misleading sentence. And that sentence creates confusion instead of understanding. To understand the truth, we need to slow down and look at evolution the right way. When something is complicated, our brains try to simplify it. That is not always a bad thing. But sometimes, simplifying goes too far. And when it does, the meaning changes completely. Saying, humans came from monkeys is not a simplification. It is a distortion. It replaces a real scientific explanation with a false mental shortcut. To fix this, we need one key idea, an idea that changes everything. When something is complicated, our brains try to simplify it. That is not always a bad thing. But sometimes, simplifying goes too far. And when it does, the meaning changes completely. Saying, humans came from monkeys is not a simplification. It is a distortion. It replaces a real scientific explanation with a false mental shortcut. To fix this, we need one key idea, an idea that changes everything. That idea is called a common ancestor. Humans did not come from monkeys. Humans and monkeys share a common ancestor. Think about your family. You did not come from your cousin. Your cousin did not come from you, but you both share grandparents. The same logic applies here. Millions of years ago, there was a species that was neither human nor any modern monkey. From that species, different evolutionary paths emerged. One path eventually led to modern humans. Other paths led to chimpanzees, gorillas, and other great apes. We are relatives, not descendants. This one idea destroys the entire myth. Around 6 to 7 million years ago, our evolutionary paths split. Environmental changes happened, climates shifted, habitats changed. Some populations adapted to open landscapes, others adapted to life in forests and trees. Each group evolved in the direction that helped it survive. Evolution did not choose a winner. It simply responded to different environments. There was no goal, no final destination, no plan to create humans, just adaptation. Here is another major mistake. People imagine evolution as a ladder. At the bottom, simple life. At the top, humans. But evolution is not a ladder. Evolution is a tree with branches. The trunk represents shared ancestors. The branches represent different paths. Humans are one branch, monkeys are another. One branch is not higher than the other. They are simply different. Monkeys are not primitive humans. They are modern species that have been evolving for just as long as we have. Humans are not the final product of evolution. We are not the goal. We are not the peak. We are one successful outcome among many others. Sharks have existed for hundreds of millions of years. Ants dominate ecosystems. Bacteria survive everywhere on Earth. Evolution does not reward intelligence. It rewards survival. And survival looks different in different environments. So let us return to the famous question. If humans came from monkeys, why are monkeys still here? The answer is simple. Humans did not come from monkeys, and monkeys did not turn into humans. Both adapted to their own environments. Evolution does not replace species when a new one appears. It creates diversity. That is why the natural world is full of different forms of life. How do scientists know all this? First, fossils. We have fossils that are not fully human and not fully ape. They show gradual change over long periods of time. Second, DNA. Human DNA and chimpanzee DNA are about 98% similar. That level of similarity is not random. It points to shared ancestry. Third, anatomy. Our bones, our muscles, and our organs follow the same basic blueprint. These similarities tell a clear story. This misunderstanding is not harmless. It makes science look foolish. It turns serious discussions into pointless arguments. And it creates the false idea that evolution is meant to insult humanity. But evolution does not say humans are worthless. It says humans are part of nature. And understanding that can actually make us more humble. So let us summarize. Humans did not come from modern monkeys. Humans and monkeys share a common ancestor. Evolution is not a ladder. Evolution is a branching tree. Humans are not the goal of evolution. We are one branch among many. The next time someone asks, if humans came from monkeys, why are monkeys still here? Smile and say, for the same reason your cousin still exists. If this video helped you understand evolution better, like it, subscribe, and share it with someone who still believes the myth. In the next video, we will ask another big question. Does evolution really conflict with religion? See you next time.